Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my crock pot chili. So let's cook. So I'm first going to start out by chopping up 2 medium-sized onions. And you're going to chop them up into little squares about this size. Now that I'm finished cutting my onions, I'm just going to set this off to the side. Next, I'm just going to slice up 2 green peppers. And I'm going to dice them up in the same size that I diced up my onions. Now that that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and set this off to the side as well. Here I have 2 jalapeno peppers, and I'm just going to dice these up into small pieces. Now, depending on how spicy you want your chili, depends on how many seeds and how much of the stem you leave in. I'm going for like a medium heat in my chili, so I'm going to remove all of the stem from there. And about half of the stem and seeds in this one. And I'm going to do the same thing for the second one. If you want to wear gloves, go ahead and wear gloves, but I'm used to using jalapeno peppers a lot. I cook with them a lot, so I'm pretty used to it. Here I have about 5 garlic cloves, and I'm just gonna mince these garlic cloves up. So here I have my pan heating up on a medium heat, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm just going to chop this up some. So now I'm just going to add some seasonings. I have some seasoned salt, paprika, garlic, cumin, onion powder, and some chili powder. And I'm going to add that in with my meat. I'm also going to add some freshly grated pepper and some salt. And you just want to cook this up until it's cooked thoroughly. Okay guys, so now that my meat is totally cooked, I'm just going to go ahead and add my green peppers, my onion, and my garlic into my meat. And I'm just going to cook this up just to get some of the flavor from that meat into my peppers. Okay guys, so my green peppers and onions are ready, and I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. Now that I have my meat put in my crock pot, I'm just going to add in 1 28-ounce can of diced tomato, and I have 1 15-ounce can of red beans and 1 15 can of light red beans that I just rinsed off. And I'm just going to mix all that together. I wasn't sure whether I needed my second can of tomatoes, but I'm going to go ahead and add my second can of tomatoes in. And mix that up. Now I'm just going to add my pinto beans in. And I'm going to mix those throughout. And I'm just going to cover this in some chicken stock. Now I have a packet of this chili seasoning, and I'm going to go ahead and mix in here as well. And I'm going to stir that up. Now I'm just going to give this a a taste for seasoning. Wow, that tastes really good. I'm just going to add a little bit more salt. Mix that in. So I'm just going to put my top on and set this on low. And I'm just going to cook this up overnight. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, it's the next day. And if y'all could just smell what my house smells like. It smells so good in here. My chili is done. It's nice and thick. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this in a bowl for you guys to see. Okay guys, so here's my bowl of chili. And I just garnished it with some sour cream, cheddar cheese, and some green onions. And only thing that's left is to add yourself a nice piece of cornbread and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and like, share, subscribe, put on your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.